Dear students, today we will start the second unit topic, phenols. We will discuss about the phenols, about their types, their acidity, chemical reactions, and other derivatives of phenols. Phenols are aromatic compounds containing one or more hydroxyl groups directly attached with carbon of benzene ring are known as phenols. Means if you attach any OH group or hydroxyl group with benzene, then it is called phenol. Term phenol is derived from an old name of benzene, that is phen. What is the meaning of phen? C6H5, phenyl. If the OH group is present in the side chain, then these are referred as aromatic alcohols. Example, benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2H means when OH directly attached to the ring, then it is phenol. But if it is in side chain like CH2 OH, it is attached with CH2, not directly. If it is indirectly attached to the ring, then this type of compounds is known as benzyl alcohols. Classification of phenols. Phenols are divided into three types as per the number of hydroxyl groups attached to the ring. First is monohydric phenols. As its name represents, they contain one OH group like orthonitrophenol. You can see it have the one OH group. Metanitrophenol, para-hydroxy benzoic acid, 1 OH and 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Now dihydric phenols, this is the second class. They contain 2 OH groups or hydroxyl groups. Means when any benzene contain 2 OH group, then it is called dihydric phenol. Example, catechol, ortho, para and meta. Catechol structure in which 2 OH groups are present. Trihydric phenols, they contain 3 OH groups, means they 3 hydroxyl groups attached directly to the benzene ring. You can see in pyrogalol 3 OH groups are attached. Fluoroglycinol, it also have 3 OH groups different than pyrogalol. And 1,2,4 benzene triol. Nomenclature of phenols. In IUPAC, OH group is represented as hydroxyl. अगर आपको IUPAC में OH को लिखना पड़ेगा तो वो कैसे लिखेंगे? By the name of hydroxyl. It is used as a prefix. हाइड्रोक्सिल हमेशा कहाँ आता है? प्रीफिक्स में. While benzene part of the molecule is used as suffix. बेंजीन को हम सफिक्स मान के चलेंगे, बेंजीन रिंग को, और OH को प्रीफिक्स में मान के चलेंगे. Some of the examples you can see catechol, 2 hydroxyl groups at first and second position. So you can write its name, IUPAC name, 1,2-dihydroxy benzene. This is its IUPAC name. Now come to the next, resorcinol, or you can say metacatechol. You can see OH at 1 and 3rd position. So you can write its name, IUPAC name, 1,3-dihydroxybenzene. Next is when the OH on 1st and 4th position, para to each other, then you can write 1,4-dihydroxybenzene, and it is also called as hydroxyquinone. Common name hydroxyquinone, resorcinol, catechol, or other common name like orthohydroxylphenol, metahydroxylphenol, parahydroxyphenol. Some other examples: when OH is secondary, then other group, means preference goes to other group than OH in IUPAC, like NO2. In NO2 and OH, preference goes to NO2. So here you can see at second position is nitro, then you can say 2-nitrophenol. Next is OH, NO2, 3-nitrophenol. Next is 4-nitrophenol and 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. One more thing, one correction is, here we give the preference to OH, not NO2. So correct this thing. Previously I told the preference goes to NO2, but no, preference always goes to OH. So phenol is the main compound. So we can write the IUPAC name by the substituents 2-nitrophenol, 3-nitrophenol, 4-nitrophenol and 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. Structure of phenol. I think everybody knows the structure of phenol. I already discussed, but some of the points which are related to the structure of phenol. As you know, phenol have a benzene ring which have the 6 carbon, and all carbons are sp2 hybridized, and oxygen in the OH have the 2 lone pair, means they can share their lone pair with any other atom, and they can also involved in the delocalization of electrons, because oxygen also sp2 hybridized. So first point is, the alcohol functional group consists of oxygen bonded to sp2 hybridized aromatic carbon atom and hydrogen via a sigma bond. Means carbon of benzene and hydrogen of hydrogen of OH group. You can see carbon attached to OH group, and that carbon is sp2 hybridized, and hydrogen attached to the oxygen via sigma bond. Both CO and OH bond are polar. Conjugation exists between an unsaid electron pair of the oxygen and benzene ring. ठीक है, means these are also involved in delocalization of electrons, because oxygen also sp2 hybridized. This result in, as compared to alcohol, if you compare the phenols with alcohol, then phenols have a shorter CO bond, more basic OH group and more acidic OH protons. We will further discuss the acidity of the phenols in coming slides. Physical properties of phenols: colorless, crystalline, poisonous, solid with phenolic odor. Melting point 41 degrees C, and boiling point 182 degrees Celsius. Sparingly soluble in water, forming pink solution at room temperature. Completely soluble above 68.5 degrees Celsius. It causes blister on skin and used as disinfectant in washroom. Now come to the acidity of phenols. We will discuss acidity of phenol in next video. So please remember all the things about the phenol, like structure, their classification, IUPAC name, and physical properties. Thank you.